Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Powered by Shopify from your store's footer in just a few simple steps. Doing this will give your store a more professional and branded look, so let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme and click these three dots and press Edit Code. This will then take you to the Themes Code Editor. Next, in the code editor, find and open footer.liquid file. To quickly find the text, use Ctrl F for Windows and search Powered by Shopify. Once you locate the text, carefully delete the code that contains Powered by Shopify. Be sure not to remove any extra code that might affect your store's footer layout. After deleting the text, click Save in the top right corner. Now go back to your store and refresh the page to check if the footer text is gone. And that's it! You've successfully removed Powered by Shopify from your store's footer. Your store now looks cleaner and more professional. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Shopify tips. Thanks for watching!